Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account. This gives you control. Once signed in, go directly to Security Settings to find Alerts and Devices. Make sure you have the device name and last activity time handy because you'll need them to identify which alert to disable. If you use two-step verification, have that second device or recovery email ready to confirm changes. Doing this avoids lockouts and speeds the process, so you can safely change alert settings. Next, navigate to Security and open Recent Security Activity or your devices. That's where alerts live. You'll see entries with times and device names. Pick the one matching the notification. Click Review or Manage to see details and choose the appropriate option. Mark it "This was me" to acknowledge or use Turn Off Alerts if Google offers that setting. Be careful, only disable alerts for trusted devices. If the option is grayed out, you'll need to change device permissions or sign out. Finally, confirm your changes and make any security updates like changing your password or revoking device access when something looks suspicious. Once done, open notifications in your Google account to disable specific alert types. This prevents repeats without weakening security overall. If alerts persist, clear your browser cache or sign out and repeat the steps. In stubborn cases, revoke app or device passwords and reissue them. If a device won't stop triggering alerts, remove it from your account and sign in again only when you trust it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.